Springs Preserve here in Las Vegas. It's a complex of 5 buildings. I think 3 of them were done by Tate Kimball. So I was incorrect about the architects. It's Tate, Snyder, and Kinsey are the architects for this preserve of the original spring, which was the reason that Las Vegas was founded, was because there was a natural spring here. Well, this museum is a collection of exhibits about the natural habitat here in Nevada. We'll go into the exhibit.
Hobby desert eagles roam the countryside, harvesting seasonal foods and hunting small game. Some even began planting crops, corn, beans, and squash.
Archaeologists have identified stone metaxes, piercing tools, and shaft scrapers from this time period. Over thousands of years, the climate became more humid.
While frequent rains allowed for agriculture, they support the growing population.
Around 1800.
Well, these are some of the administration buildings here at the preserve, and an interesting feature is this detail of a light shelf. Well, I can tell, from the orientation of these buildings that definitely have been sited well, and
they wanted in a layering pattern.
like 8 or 6 inches at a time.
These are higher lifts. What we did with the first buildings that we started over there were a tighter lift, because I thought the architect wanted.
So these are rammed earth. I don't know what you would call them, buttresses for the building.
Yeah.
And
well, they're not really buttresses; they're all architectural features.
But they're not structural for the building?
They are in the other 2 buildings over there, not these straw bale buildings. These came afterwards as
these are. Like this is straw bale here.
Straw bale. These are landscape elements. The 2 buildings on the other side are rammed earth buildings.
No kidding. Yeah. Straw bale buildings.
Well, I didn't mean to butt in with you, but check us out, our website. I'm David Easton.
Well, I'm pleased to meet you, David.
The guy who wrote the book on rammed earth. And
no
teaches
kidding.
Everybody else how to do it.
Well, it's pleased to meet you. Thank you very much. Well, here's a nice idea for a clematis trellis. It looks like it's been pretty tough on the clematis here this last summer. Well, this is a interesting example of rotate the display to see the various features of the model. And the Desert Living Center was awarded the Platinum LEED certification. Straw bale and rammed earth techniques. Nothing disappears, from a drop of water to car exhaust, from a gust of wind to a coffee cup. Nothing disappears. This is a sustainability center here below, and it's a wonderful example of sustainable buildings and beautiful recreation of organic architecture. So their sustainability center is a complete household explaining automobiles, transportation, different laundry room, kitchen, complete demonstration of sustainability methods and best practices everywhere in the house, right down to the composting toilet. Build your house at Rammed Earth. Rammed Earth homes can be some of the most beautiful and durable natural homes. Well-designed Rammed Earth structures will easily outlast wood-frame buildings which need major renovations every 50 to 75 years. These galleries are made out of Rammed Earth. And this is the Plaque on Straw building. For the 3 little pigs. So they take a waste product, they'll put the bales into the framing. 50 times more energy to take 1 ton of concrete, 1 ton of straw bales. And this is a demonstration of the wall. As a contrast to my Las Vegas visit here, and as an ending shot, I'm sure, there's a panoramic view of the xerographic gardens, which are just phenomenal here at the Spring Preserve. A wonderful example. I'm so glad I've gotten interested in LEED environments, because this really is the evolution of Frank Lloyd Wright's ideals. This is an art de sante that's actually working.
About it, you know, they consider it to be never ending to turn on the tap and out it comes.
Well, this is the design lab here at the Springs Preserve, and they have a wonderful library here. You can bring your clients here and look at the samples of the artificial turf and concrete finishes and different types of countertop samples they have here, the different woods, surfaces, cork material. There's a sample of jean insulation, and there's a nice conference room for architects and their clients to